welcome. So let's say you just bought a guitar and you wanna begin to learn. First things first, as they always say. So best will be firstly to learn your open chords. No matter what type of music you wanna pursue, reggae, sugura, all types of music. Because these open chords, I would say that the building blocks of any movement that we will do. So it'll be best for you to learn from the basics. So, in this video, we're just gonna cover firstly to know how to tune, and then secondly, our 7 chords, only major chords for now. Best, as you go on, it'll be easier for you to use your ears to tune, but for now, we need to use a tuner. So if you don't have a manual tuner, you can download it on Google Play Store. Then you can tune your guitar to standard E tuning. That being said, let's go to the open chords now. We have some sad chords and we have some happy chords, to the sound, like A major. The sound is you can hear it for yourself. Okay, so here's A major. That's in A major. You have to kind of, practice to hold your open chords, easily without, you have to position finger one by one. So you kind of you have to put your finger straight on where they have to be. It's like you're playing a keyboard. That way, it's a good exercise for your fingers, because as you go on with your guitar learning, it'll be easier, because whenever you wanna play any chord, your fingers will just move on easily. Than to position your fingers one by one each time you have to play a different chord. We have B major. And then we go to C major. This one, you will like it. And it's used a lot. You always find a C in it. And you can even hear it's a happy chord. Now we go to D major. For me, what I realized through the journey of learning, if you are one of those who wanna play African music or sugura, hold your D this way. Index finger is gonna be a flat on 3 strings, and then you put your second finger on string number 2, fret number 3. The reason is, when you play sugura, you like to add your thick strings on this position here rather than here, So with your D held like this, it will be easier for you to add notes like in this one. You can see, yes, still a D major, but with these notes added. Now we go to E. Here's a E. That's an E major. And then we go to F. This one also very important chord. Index finger, 1 and 2 string, fret number 1. Second finger, 3rd string, fret number 2. Ring finger, fret number 3, string number 4. This chord also, when you join it with that B knowledge, you can build your bar chord. Okay, so we're on F. Very important chord, like I said. Now we go to G. This one also very important, because we use it a lot. Even the shape is used a lot. So there are also 2 ways you can hold this G chord. So you have to kind of learn all the both shapes, because when you hold your G this way and you wanna add other notes like on this side here, it'll be hard for you. You can only add using your index finger, but you are also limited there. So if you put your your pinky finger on the high E string, you can now add using this finger, the ring finger. For example, hear the difference of the sound. This is the normal G. with the added note. You can hear the sound. These are all the 7 chords that we have.